celebration. I thank everybody for whatever you have done for me. I thank director, thank my parents for because if they were not cooperative, I would not have been in this. So I thank my parents, Muthukrishnan sir, because when it gets late, he used to drop me at home. So it was not a problem for me to go late. Thank you. Now he's also cooperating for me to continue the job.
He's not cooperating.
Sorry?
He's not cooperating.
No, previously my parents were cooperating with me. Now my mother is cooperating.
He is cooperating so much. He bought the house close to the office.
Thank you, everybody.